This is what? We can say straw or pipe. Getting? This is water. This is straw or pipe. Right now I am pouring the water inside the water. What will happen? Water will flow or not? Flow? No. Look at here. This will not flow, or we can say overflow will be not here.
Not take place.
Okay? Look at here. Look at here. Okay? Water is what?
Not flowing.
Not flowing. Okay? So right now there is no flow of water, but if I will put this balloon after blowing, then what will happen? What will happen? What will happen?
Water will run out. Sir, water will run out.
Water will flow, na? Water will flow.
Flow.
Look at here. Okay. Hold it. Look at here. Look at here. Right now, when I am holding,
She's taking your picture only, sir. मैं पता नहीं मैं
when I am holding the mouth of this balloon, water is not flowing. Okay, but as I will leave, what's happening here? Look at here. What's happening here? What's happening here? It's starting overflow. Okay, this is flowing now. This is flowing. But again, when I am holding here, again it will start to flow. So what exactly happening here? Are you able to understand? Okay, look at here. In this condition, give me stop. Look at here. In this first condition, if I am considering this is the air, this is what? Air. Or we can say atmosphere. This is what? Atmosphere. And this is the water. This is what? Water. If I am considering the pressure of this water, then I can say the pressure inside the water, that is what? We can say internal pressure. That is what? Internal pressure. So I am considering that IP. IP is what?
Internal pressure.
And if I am talking about the pressure outside the bottle, suppose that is what? Atmospheric pressure. That is what? Atmospheric pressure. So in this condition, internal pressure is equal to the
Atmospheric pressure.
That's why water is not flowing. That's why water is
Not flowing.
But in the
पीछे से ले लो.
second condition, look at here. This is what?
Balloon.
Filled with the air. So air molecule is present here. Air molecule is present here. And the atmosphere is also exerting pressure on the balloon. Like this. Suppose this is the direction of pressure exerted by atmosphere. Getting or not? Getting or not?
Yes.
Okay. So what exactly happening here? Atmosphere is pressurizing this balloon filled with the air. So what will happen? What will happen? This air molecule will enter inside the water. This air molecule enter inside the water. That's why pressure inside the bottle will also increase. Pressure inside the bottle will also increase. So only because of the atmospheric pressure, this pressure on the balloon is greater than to the pressure inside the bottle, and that's why this pressure is going to the water, and again this water is exerting pressure on the air present in the pipe. Getting? And that's why we can say internal pressure is in the first condition. Internal pressure is less than to the atmospheric pressure. In the second condition, the pressure inside the pipe, I am writing here PP. So internal pressure is greater than to PP. It means what? Pressure inside the pipe. And that's why we all know that pressure always transfer from higher pressure to the
Lower pressure.
And only because of balancing this all pressure, that internal pressure is flowing through the
ऐसे
PP.
नहीं, बच्चे
That is what?
क्या ही
That is what?
सक्षम हट जा मेरे को।
Pressure
Video
inside
बना रहा
the
हूँ।
pipe. Pressure inside the pipe. Okay. So that's why water is overflowing. Getting or
हट जा,
not?
सक्षम मेरे को पीछे जा, पीछे जा।
पूरा पीछे जाओ. Getting or not? Getting? So this is only because of the atmospheric pressure. Okay. Again look at here. Again look at here. What's happening here? When I am removing my hand,
हट जा, सक्षम कर दे।
water is flowing. Water
हट जा,
is
सक्षम।
flowing. Getting? Again. Stop. Again.
हटो, हटो, तो मत
Flowing.
जाइए, हटो, हटो।
Getting?
साइड पर खड़े हो, ऊपर ही देखते।